What's going on? I'm here with Arsenal Strength, and I'm gonna show you the versatility of our reloaded vertical row. Now, there are a few adjustments that you can make on this machine that's gonna help you target your specific muscle groups better and just help you enjoy this movement more. The first adjustment I'm gonna show you is this seat pad right here. We can bring it up, we can bring it down. I actually have it set up right where I want it to start. So I can go ahead and sit down. I'm gonna put my feet in position. I'll go ahead and grab these handles and I can go into my row. And so depending on the muscle groups that I'm trying to work, this might be a position that I want. But let's say I'm a little bit shorter and so I need to bring that seat up. That's no problem. You just pull out the pop pin. You can bring that up to wherever you want. And I'm a little bit higher up, maybe this is better for me. Or I can completely change up the movement. I can get this seat all the way down to the bottom so I can do a true standing row. This is the position that I personally like. I'm having my feet back here. I'm gonna have my chest against the pad, and then I can grab these handles, which these handles do rotate, making sure my core is tight, and I'm going into my rows here. But you do have a lot of options. Now, like I said, depending on what muscles you're trying to target, you're gonna have a lot of adjustments that you can do here. So we just talked about how the seat itself can move. We'll go ahead and bring that back up. So I'm going into a workout. I wanna target my lats a little bit more. And so what I wanna do is actually bring this chest pad all the way back. That's one position. All right, so maybe I'm trying to target my lats here. And so what I would wanna do is, because this chest pad is all the way back, this is gonna give me a tighter squeeze if I'm doing single arm. All right, because it is single arm, I'm able to crunch down on this side and get a tight contraction in there. However, maybe I wanna do a two-armed row. You can certainly do it here, and yes, I'll get some lat activation, but you'll get greater activation if you pull this pop pin out all the way forward. And what I wanna do is now bring my tailbone to the back of the seat, and because my chest is now forward, you can see my posture has completely changed, whereas before I was more upright, and now I'm leaning forward. You can see my elbow path as I do this is coming through my side here, and I'm gonna recruit more lat muscle as I do this row. And so depending on what you're trying to target, depending on how you like to perform this exercise, you're gonna have a lot of variability. And then one of the best parts that we've developed here is these rotating handles. And so depending on, again, your body structure, what you're trying to go for, even mid-set, right? Other handles are gonna have a firm handle there that you can't rotate mid-set. I can change my grip. Maybe I'm failing here, and I can switch to a supinated grip and then go back into this row. So these rotating handles really make it so there's so many options when you're performing this Arsenal Strength reloaded vertical row.